Good morning everyone. I Divya Sharma, Assistant Professor in Shri Rawatpura Sarkar University, Raipur. So today's topic is frame selection. Frame selection are very important to look good, comfortable and more attractive. So let's start. So first we will discuss about why we select frame. The primary purpose is to hold the prescribed lenses in such a way as to provide the optimum visual efficiency, and the second one is frame should be physically comfortable, attractive in appearance and meet the expectation of the patient, and the third one is fashion. The spectacles frame have become an important component of fashion. Spectacle frame selection criteria is looks, prescription of your eyes, your working environment, your habit, and of course your budget. So the general guidelines for selecting frames. First one is eye position. Eyes position are well centered within the frames, and the width. Frame should be wide enough so that there is just slight clearance between the frame, temples and the sides of the head. Brows. Top of the frame. Wire should follow the brow line. So, for suitable frame, the shape of your face, your coloring, your nose, your eyes, your hairline, and of course the image you wish to project. So always determine your face shape. So firstly you see your face in the mirror. So the face morphology and frame selection. Frame shape should contrast with the face shape, and the frame size should be in scale with the face size. Eyewear should repeat your personal bad feature. Blue frame to match blue eyes given by the Vision Council of America. The nose. So the frame must properly adjust to the nose. Thin nose. Always choose the narrow bridge spectacles, and the large nose always choose lower and larger bridge. Long nose, lower bridge, narrow or large, and the short nose, higher bridge, narrow or large. Shape of the face. So the round face frame with angular shapes will counterbalance or the roundness of the face, looking more attractive. A clear bridge that widens the eye and the frame. Oval face. So the oval face persons always choose the greatest freedom for frame selection. Nearly any frame can match, and the select frame that is just slightly wider than your broadest part of your face. Base up triangle. Frames wider at the bottom and minimize the width of the top of the face. Very light color and materials. Rimless frame are looking stylish. Oblong shaped face. So the face longer than white, frame with the top to the bottom. Depth face appear shorter and more balanced. Decorative and constructing temples add width to the face, and the low bridge shorten nose. So base down triangle face. This type of patient always choose narrow forehead, wide chin area, frame heavily extended with colors, detailing on the top half to add width and emphasize the narrower upper third of the face. And the diamond shaped face goal is to add width to the forehead and jaw to make cheekbones appear narrow. Use of softly curved frames no wider than cheekbones. For square frames, square face, oval or slightly angular frame style with curved, and the frame with hinges located above eye level can help lengthen the face, and a bridge located near the top of the frame can also add length. Frame and coloring. So the frame and coloring are very important according to the pupil's skin tone. Choose color that complements your skin tone. Cool complexion have blue or pink undertones and will look good in black, magenta, pink and some blues. Warm complexions have a yellow cast and should be complemented by the camel, gold, peach and orange. Eyes. Eyes widely spaced, a thick dark bridge will help to draw them together. Eyes closer, slim or clear bridge make less noticeable. Hairline. So the descending hairline lengthen the face. To balance, try wider frames with a strong top line. To highlight the eye and define the cheekbones, try frames with detail or distinctive brows lines. Image. So it is very important aspect of frame selection. Consider your occupation when you choosing the frame, and the frame should emphasize personal image. Working environment. So the working environment and the frame selection. Field job exposed to lots of heat and dust, avoid metal frames. Engaged in sport plastic frames and the heavy labor protective frames. Frame and habit. Habit should be considered while selecting the frame. Metal frames not suitable for children who usually jump, fight, play and carelessly. The reader may bend his metal frame while he dozes with them on his nose. Prescription and the frame selection. For high myopic patient, small round frame shapes are best to reduce the length thickness, and the angular frame with sharp corners will accent the thickness of the lenses. Frame that look good with plano lenses may be very unattractive with high minus lenses. Aphakia and high hypermetropic patient. Sturdy, lightweight, easy adjustable frames. Avoid frame with thick wires, increase the width of the ring scotoma. Adjustable pad, jumbo pads. So the pad adjusted lens fit as close to the eye as possible, and the select frame with the relatively small size and the eye size with symmetrical lens shape. So the frame for PALs. So PALs are progressive addition lens. They are heavy, the distance near intermediate power in the single lens. The frame selected should provide a minimum vertical distance of 22 mm from the center of the pupil. The vertical measurement of the frame must be minimum of 38 mm to provide a wide lateral field of view through the protective corridor and stabilize the near vision area, and the patents frame as close as vertex distance as possible. Frame selection for children. So for children, comfortable and practical as well as stylish, well designed and attractive with features like small, symmetrical, colorful, adjustable nose pad, saddle bridge for small nose, and spring hinges for durability and the comfort. Nickel-free, hypoallergenic for those with the metal allergies, and rimless frame, very light, almost invisible, like wearing no spectacles at all. Fashion, also criteria for frame selection. So the fashion are very important for today's lifestyle. Recently, eyewear have become an important component of fashion. The public is convinced the attractiveness is eyeglasses, as judged in relations to current fashion norms, is not an option but a necessity. So the eye care practitioner must consider the spectacles frame not only as a clinical appliance but also as the item of style and the fashion. I hope you like this video, so please like, share, subscribe, comments and never miss any updates of SRU.